Okay, so I know there's a couple things that are going on right now. So this is I put this together this video to kind of help you guys kind of try to understand what's going on. Right now, there's a couple things. One is Google and the rest of the internet has decided that unauthenticated email, like free emails from Gmail and stuff, this is going to be an issue, and so they're going to start sending those emails to spam. So already you know that you've got to get a custom email address, a professional email address, along with your custom domain. Okay. Now, the second issue that we are having is all of a sudden System.io decided to be the police and say that you can no longer send people over to their Infinity Markets systems, right? And so instead of letting your emails go, oops, that's the wrong one. Instead of letting your emails go, now they're all of a sudden stopping them, right? So that's a big problem. Um, and what's become of that or come out of that is now IPS is creating all new websites for all those that were here on this IPS market systems. So you can see here I have that represented as the new website domain. And as of now, I think that both your thank you page and your sales video pages still can direct over to that old Infinity Market systems, but since they're going to replace that domain, those will no longer be there. So you'll have to change your sales page and your video page, uh, as well as these emails to direct to um, your new domain or IPS sales site. So uh, I'm gonna get rid of this, and we're gonna get rid of. We'll leave that there. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you is how we're gonna address and redirect to this new IPS website. And this also is going to show you how to eliminate putting IPS at all in these follow up emails. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this sales video page and we are going to create a copy of it, okay? And we're going to call this transition page, okay? And instead of sending these emails over to IPS with the System.io police blocking them, we're going to actually just send these out of uh, our emails, and we're going to let me get this right here. It's kind of hard to work with. We're going to send them right back into our own funnel software to this transition page. And then this transition page is going to send them over to our new IPS website. That way, the funnel police don't see you linking the IPS websites through your autoresponder. Okay? And so in the following video, I'm going to show you how to create that transition page and exactly what that's going to look like. So stay tuned and good luck. Hey there. So I decided to make a little video to show you guys about one way that you can creatively deal with this IPS blocking your emails to or I'm sorry, System.io blocking your emails to the IPS website. It's up to you if you want to wait around for them to try to fix it or if you want to be proactive. I myself like to be proactive, so I'm just giving this up because I know how to do it. And if you want to try to see if that'll help you out, you're more than welcome to try it. I just don't like gatekeeping or holding any information back, so here you go. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over into our System.io page, all right, and um, we're going to go into our funnel, right, our six-figure blueprint funnel, and actually I already kind of practiced this, so I would be ahead of the game. So what the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to go over to our video page where you see Michelle doing the sales video, right? Okay, mine's going to look a little bit different because I've been playing around with this funnel. But anyway, so you're going to go to that video page, okay? The first thing that you're going to do is we're going to duplicate it, okay? You confirm that. And what you can do is call it transition. And then whatever you want to call it down in the area that we're in is the path is the slug. So the path, I'm just going to call it T2. I'm going to click on this little link, and that's going to set that path. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit the page. All right, and from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out most of the stuff that's on here. Okay, and this is just so I can show you quickly. You'll probably want to remove all this stuff once you see what I do here. But you can also get creative and make your page your way. So just go in here and just start deleting all these sections. Because we're only going to keep what's the headline and that small lower subtitle. Okay, so now that we've got this here, the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to get rid of this headline too. All right, and so now all we've got is these two things: this blue line, these two columned row. So that doesn't matter. It just looks fine. I'm okay with that. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to drag an image over in between those two text areas. Okay. And for that image, I will include this image or link to this image so that you can put it in your funnel. But basically, you're going to go over here to the image file, and I've already uploaded it. And if you were to, save this file on your computer, and then you would just go to your downloads and select it from there. But since I've already uploaded it, it's already in my images. I'm just going to select this loading GIF. Okay. And all that is it looks like something's loading, right? It's got the word loading, and then it's got this little activity going on here. So it makes it look like something's happening, right? So then what we'll say is your products will be ready shortly. Okay? Something like that. All right? So now the very next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down here, and under other section, you're going to see this countdown. We're going to drag that over underneath there. Your products will be there shortly. Yeah, maybe not. Let's go under here. All right. So now you have this. Can I move that up? No. It don't like moving. Anyway, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Because we're going to hide this anyway. So what you're going to do is go in, click the gear on that timer. Okay. And instead of fixed time and date, we're just going to put a delay. Okay. And we're going to change that delay. We're going to take off the 1 hour, and we're going to add seconds, right? I'm just going to put 5 for right now. But when you do this for the first time, if System.io is blocking you, you may want to set this up for a minute. That way, if they do go to that page, it doesn't automatically redirect them, and then they still keep you blocked. I don't know how they're going to treat this, or if just by not going to IPS directly in the email, will they unlock your emails. So, but anyway, so I'm going to, for this example, I'm just going to set it to 5, and then I'm going to set the action when the countdown expires to redirect to a URL. And I'm going to go out to get my IPS website, the one that's being blocked, and I am going to redirect this page to that. So you're just going to paste in your page there, Okay, now hit save changes. Okay, but now that we've got that done, and it's up to you. I like to hide this stuff when I'm doing something like that. So what I'll do is I'll just click on that and I'll change the colors. I'm just going to change the colors of the numbers to white, and I'm going to change the labels to white as well. And that just kind of makes that whole thing disappear. You can't really tell that anything's going on there. Now, you could add another picture, something to, provide excitement or something for them to look at during that short period of time. It's up to you, but just for this example, I wanted to show you. So you're going to save changes. Then you're going to need to go over to the mobile view and also change that number. So make sure you switch from the desktop view down here underneath all this stuff here, all the buttons and the elements, over to the little phone looking guy, and you're going to see that the countdown's in red. So you're just going to click on that, scroll down, and all you got to do is change the colors there to white for the time and the labels, and then that's going to hide that too. Hit save your changes and then continue on for the rest of the video. Okay, and what's going to happen now is when you go over to your email campaigns, instead of putting your IPS website in your emails, what you're going to do is you're going to get this link from your transition page, and you're going to put this transition page link in your emails, so that when they go in your email and they click on that link, it's going to take them straight to your transition page. So watch what happens when they go to your transition page. Okay, this is right inside your System.io. You can see it's on my domain and it's on that T2 page. And as soon as 5 seconds are up, it redirects them to your IPS website where they can look through and go ahead and buy your product. All right, so that's one way that I deal with the workaround. Instead of System.io complaining about your emails going to IPS, it's just going right back into your funnel to this transition page, where they will then be redirected over to your IPS page. So hopefully this helps some of you out, and I wish you well.